I've got two things to tell you about the credit card reward points that are so popular in America. We don't have them here in the UK because regulators squashed card payment swipe fees years ago. First, banks love these programs even more than you do, for a really good reason. It's a multi-billion-dollar business funded by those swipe fees, which you don't see, but which critics say hurt small businesses and make prices higher. Airlines love them too. You get to collect miles and keep taking flights with the same carrier, and they get to share the spoils with the banks that help issue their branded cards. In a way, it's a bit like gambling. The house always wins. I've got a column on that here. Now, second, your credit card points are about to get disrupted, potentially in a big way, and that's down to the rise of crypto. This is about stablecoins, the tokens whose value is pegged 1-for-1 to the dollar. They're meant to be fast and cheap to use, yet operate outside of traditional finance and without those swipe fees. They could offer an opportunity for merchants and airlines to recover costs from big banks and card networks like Visa or MasterCard. Some big retailers like Amazon and Walmart are reportedly already thinking about stablecoins of their own. They'd have to partner with a coin issuer like Circle Internet Group, but that's just like they do with banks for credit cards they issue today. If customers could be persuaded to use their coins, and that's a big if, then they could boost profit margins and still run the loyalty schemes that they have today. What does this mean for everyone currently hooked on point schemes from Chase and Amex and others? At this point, the one sure thing is disruption. Maybe stablecoins will produce even better reward schemes. Or maybe they'll just put enough pressure on the economics of credit cards to ruin the points programs you have, but without being popular enough to create something better. For now, it's worth preparing for change. It might take a while, but if you have a big stash of points or air miles, you might want to start using them up just in case they get devalued.